Amazon Elastic Block Store, or EBS, is like a hard drive for your cloud-based computer. It provides persistent block storage volumes that attach to your Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, or EC2 instances. Without EBS, your instances would lose all their data when you stop or terminate them. EBS solves this problem by providing persistent storage that remains available even if you stop or terminate your instance. This allows you to treat your EC2 instances like physical servers that you can stop, start, and reboot without worrying about losing your data. EBS is like having a set of virtual hard drives that you can attach to your EC2 instances. You can create, attach, detach, and delete EBS volumes as needed. Think of it as hot swapping hard drives on a server. This flexibility makes EBS a powerful tool for a wide range of use cases, from simple websites to complex enterprise applications. The Amazon EBS is built for the demanding requirements of today's cloud applications. One of the key features of EBS is its durability. EBS volumes are designed to protect your data from hardware failures. Data is replicated within an availability zone to offer high availability and durability. EBS is also designed for scalability. You can easily increase the size of your EBS volumes or add more volumes to your EC2 instances. This makes it easy to adapt to changing storage needs. You can also take point-in-time snapshots of your EBS volumes. These snapshots can be used to create new EBS volumes, providing a simple and cost-effective way to back up your data and create copies of your environments for development, testing, and disaster recovery. Security is paramount in the cloud. EBS offers encryption at rest and in transit, ensuring your data is always protected. You can also control access to your EBS volumes using AWS Identity and Access Management, or IAM. Amazon EBS offers different volume types to meet a variety of performance and cost needs. Solid-state drive, or SSD. Volumes are ideal for applications that require high performance, such as databases, transactional workloads, and boot volumes. They are optimized for low latency and high IOPS, which stands for input-output operations per second. Hard disk drive, or HDD volumes, are a cost-effective option for applications that require less performance but need high capacity. They are ideal for throughput-intensive workloads like streaming, log processing, and big data analysis. Choosing the right volume type is crucial for optimizing performance and cost. EBS provides tools and guidance to help you make informed decisions based on your specific workload requirements. Section 4. Performance optimization and cost savings with EBS. EBS offers several strategies to maximize performance and optimize costs. Choosing the right volume type based on your application's I/O characteristics is essential. For bursting workloads, you can benefit from EBS Elastic Volumes, which allow you to increase volume performance and capacity on demand. Cost optimization is a key consideration for any cloud deployment. EBS offers cost-effective options like HDD volumes for less demanding workloads and snapshots for backups. You can further optimize costs by deleting unused EBS volumes and using lifecycle policies to automate snapshot creation and deletion. Section 5. Conclusion. EBS, a cornerstone of your cloud infrastructure. Amazon EBS is a fundamental building block for your AWS cloud infrastructure. It provides highly durable, scalable, and secure storage for your EC2 instances, enabling you to build and deploy a wide range of applications. By understanding the different EBS volume types, performance optimization strategies, and cost-saving measures, you can maximize the value of EBS for your specific needs. Whether you're running a small website or a mission-critical enterprise application, EBS provides the reliable and flexible storage foundation you need to succeed in the cloud.